Introducing the new ASSA ABLOY FD2250P, a folding door designed for industrial environments. Flexible installation means the ASSA ABLOY FD2250P can be installed inside or outside your entrance opening. And it can fold completely out of sight, making optimal use of your space. Opening and closing the FD2250P requires just one operator. And if you need to open up manually, the Easy Grip handle makes it smooth and secure. Elevating hinges keep wear and tear to a minimum as the bottom seal lifts away from the floor during opening. A pass door that uses the maximum panel width means pedestrians have easy access, and effective protection against burglary and vandalism keeps your business safe. You can configure the FD2250P to suit your business with a wide range of options for finish, color and access. The new ASSA ABLOY FD2250P, engineered for efficiency and usability. To find out more, visit ASSAAbloyentrance.com.